What we do here is go back.
It's just the moon and me, the wind and the trees as I go out walking on a windy night. I stick at those butterflies as the years go by. Hey Jude, look what I found. Just gotta go and get her. Gonna be a better man, you know, the best that I can in this moment and the stage of the next play. It's just the moon and me, the wind and the trees as I go out walking on a windy night. What's up? What's going on? Jace Jacobs here. I see you, moon, hiding there. I see you hiding behind that tree. Yeah, I see you. Oh, look at the light beams are coming out from the light. I see you as well, but you know that moon, there you are. You're hiding behind the clouds and the tree. I see you there. Got a couple raindrops falling down. Wind chimes, the wind blowing through my big old tree that I planted. Look at that big monster. I planted that one. Just a little baby. That was in 2011. 2011 I planted that tree. Oh yeah. Yeah. Good times. The ground was so hard too, man. I dug that hole myself. Yeah. Alright, moon. I really appreciate you. You know I'm a big fan of the moon. I see you up there. It's just the moon and me, the wind and the trees. I go out walking on another night, on a windy night. Yeah. Just out walking on a windy night. Just thinking about that. Jace Jacobs, appreciate everything. Love fully, need nothing. Namaste, my friend. High five, knuckles. Later.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.